Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to land. Please remain seated. You may get your bags after the plane has come to a full stop. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in your seats. The plane has not yet come to a full stop. Ladies and gentlemen, please sit down. Ladies and gentlemen, sit down. Remain in your seats. Remain in your seats, ladies and gentlemen.
Ma'am, chicken or beef?
Fish?
Ay, ma'am, sorry ma'am, wala po eh. Ma'am, chicken or beef?
Fish.
Ma'am, wala nga po kasing fish. Chicken curry or beef caldereta lang po, ma'am. Ma'am, chicken or beef?
Fish.
Dito ko. Diyan ka sa dagat. Diyan ka na mabagal. Diyan ka manguha ng fish.
Te!
Curry
Te!
and beef caldereta, sir.
Te!
And for drinks, we have...
Te! Te!
Excuse me, sir. May pangalan po ako.
Sorry. May fish kayo?
Wala.
Hoy! Ang dumi ng lavatory. Mabutihin mo nga na laging malinis yung lavatory. Naintindihan mo? Naiinis na ako sa'yo, ha? Sige na! Linisin mo! Opo. Uy! Kita mo tong napulot ko, ha? Ano mo? Pulot ko yan sa aisle, ha? Mabutihin mo na lagi kang pumupulot ng basura sa aisle, ha? Ako nagpapatik na talaga ako sa'yo, ha? Opo. Sige na! Mumulot ka pa dun! Sorry. Uy! Ako nababatik na talaga ako sa'yo, ha? Lagi mong mabubutihin! Ano, sir? Okay na kayo?
Sir, hot choco, coffee, or tea?
Pwede bang coffee, tea, or you?
Excuse me, sir.
Hi, sir. Here's your blanket.
Ganda naman ang lips mo. Sarap halikan.
Ay, grabe. Ang manyak mo naman pala, sir, ha?
Hi, sir. Would you like a beverage? We have apple, orange, or pineapple. Sir? Okay. Ma'am?
Apple?
Apple, okay. Here you go, ma'am. Uy! Kuya!
Ako grape juice. Grabe, hindi mo ako tinatanong ah. Babayad din naman ako dito.
Sir, first of all, I asked nicely. I said, would you like an apple, mango, orange, or pineapple? Di niyo ako pinapansin, sir, kasi earphones kayo ng earphones. Second, wala akong sinabing grape juice. Earphones pa more. Bitch.